friends, hey, welcome to the channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than the house updates that you're used to seeing. Today is going to be my first Vlogmas video ever because, well, you know, it's YouTube, so it wouldn't be YouTube in December without a little bit of Vlogmas. So today, Morgan and I, who is my 8-year-old, are going to be decorating the tree. Now, there's a tradition in my house where we have 2 trees, but as you all know, we sold our old home, so we had to move. We are now in our temporary living quarters, so we don't have a lot of space for that extra tree. So usually one tree is the family room tree. That's the tree that I design, and then the kids have their own tree in their own space that they get to design and do whatever they want to do with. But this year, I let Morgan decorate the family room tree because, well, it's something that they look forward to every year, and I didn't want to take that from them, especially considering we just moved out of their own bedrooms, they're sharing rooms. I still wanted them to have something special for the holiday. So Morgan helped me decorate the tree. So we're gonna show you the ornaments that we got. We're gonna show you the tree. And then today is also gonna be the first announcement of our Vlogmas giveaways. So y'all know, I told you in the last video, I am huge on gift giving. So today is gonna be the first announcement of the first giveaway. I'm gonna announce the giveaway and how you participate right before I show you the final reveal on the tree. So make sure you stick around for that. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kay. My husband is Tim, and we have 4 kids ranging in age from 17 down to 3. And this channel has been all about us constructing our new construction home, which we are calling our Forever for Right Now home. You'll have to watch some prior videos to understand that. But in addition to that, I'm a lifestyle blogger. I'm a content creator over on Instagram. You can keep up with me and my family over on Instagram. And we really plan to share a lot about, well, I plan to share for Vlogmas. I plan to share. I'm all about the celebration. So I love cocktails. I love taking the last month of the year to really pay attention to myself to get me prepped for the new year. So it's all about self-care, and our giveaways are going to be in direct alignment with that. So be sure to turn on the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, like this video. It helps other viewers just like you see this content. I also announced in our last video that we were on the road to 1,000, and at 1,000, I had some very special giveaways as well. And we are about 100 or so subscribers away. So make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Turn on your bell notification, like this video, share it with a friend so that we can all grow. But today, let's hop into this Christmas tree, and then let's hop into our first giveaway. Let's get started. So really quickly before we start decorating, let me show you the ornaments. So when it comes to my Christmas trees, I am very, very elaborate. But this year we're keeping it kind of simple. And I'm going to decorate it in a way where there's not a whole lot going on, but it still adds some pop to the room. So our living room setup is a mess right now because we're decorating, but it's blue, gray, a little bit of gold, some white. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to decorate the tree in that same color scheme. So let's start with the ornaments. So these ornaments, I'll try to link to them down below. I got them with the collaboration that I did with At Home over on Instagram, but I love texture. But you see how that kind of, oh, it's so pretty. I'm really excited to see what this one looks like on the tree. So they saw that one already, pumpkin. Oh, and this is Morgan. I don't know if you can see Morgan. Can you see Morgan? This is Morgan. This is she wants to be a YouTube star, but we ain't figured out what that's going to be about yet. So let's see. What else we got?
This one.
Hold on. Yep, we're going to put those on.
I didn't notice the gold. Where do you see gold?
Let's go. I'll show you. We've got some of these. These did not come from at home. I think I got these from Walmart, but I like the texture on them. These will go on last. I typically start with my big focal points, and then I kind of fill in with these, with the more traditional ones. We got some pine cones. I don't know what we're gonna do with these
Are they fake?
yet. We've got some snowflakes. These are really pretty. They kind of jumbled up in the move. You'll see them better on the tree. Yep. See, these textures really pretty. You'll see these better once they pop on the tree. What else we got, Morgan? Yep. This one's really pretty. Just white and gold. Let's see. The light might. Yeah, the white and the gold. Really pretty texture.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, they are really pretty. We got some classic navy. Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong with navy blue.
Cannot go wrong with navy blue. Okay. Yes, I showed them those already. Now, these are the starter show. So I know you're probably going to look at these and be like, well, okay. But trust me, go with me here. This is going to add some depth to the tree. So, and they're really heavy. So this is probably my favorite ornament of them all. It's like an amber color. They're like an amber color. And they've got this frost on them. These are really pretty, really heavy. I did find these at home. They were a part of the collaboration we did over on the Instagram. And I kind of use these. These go on first because they're so heavy. So I'll show you how we decorate in just a second. And I think that's it. It is heavy, right?
It doesn't.
Here, wrap it up.
It doesn't look heavy, but
what else we going to do here? Oh, we got some ribbon. I do like to ribbon the tree. So here's some ribbon. We do the waterfall method. But here's the ribbon. And I think that's all the ornaments we have.
So
I may not use this one. If the tree still needs some texture, once we're done, we'll kind of add these on. But I think with everything that we got, we'll have enough probably.
Hey, I rock.
So that's the ornaments for now. Let me show you how we, or just, you know, watch along. Watch along, enjoy some tunes, and let's decorate our tree. So the tree is finished. That was an adventure. But it's fine. I love it. Morgan loves it. That's what matters. But now I want to announce our first giveaway of the season. So I know we talked a lot about gift cards and stuff like that, and those are coming. I've got some gift cards coming later in the week, but our first gift of the season is going to be actually a product gift for those of you all that love skincare. So for the past, I'd say since June, I've been using a product from Beauty Counter that helps with that is specifically for my face. There's a lot of skincare that I use, but as I age, I'm in my late 30s, I've been looking for something that was specifically going to be natural, first and foremost, free of a lot of toxins, cater to my sensitive skin. I have really, really sensitive skin. But I am one of those girls that loves the serums, loves to steam, loves the rolling, all that good stuff. So I needed products that were going to be friendly enough for my face, but also allow me to enjoy like that spa-like feel when I'm at home. And Beauty Counter helps me do that. So I want to gift one of you all one of their popular sets. And I know this is not for everybody, so this giveaway may not be for everybody, but if you're a girl that's like me, that loves skincare, you like luxury skincare, you don't mind. I'm not going to say this stuff is expensive, but it's not like the stuff that you would find at like your local CVS or Walgreens. It's really catered to your skin. And they have a system called Counter Time, which is what I was introduced to when I first started with Beauty Counter. And I am obsessed, okay? You know, we just moved and it is really hard to find anything when you first move. I'm so obsessed with this stuff that I packed it differently to make sure that when we got here, I could wash the dirt off of my face, all that good stuff, and really feel good. So this is a part of my daily use. I do have other products that I use, but this one is a part of my daily use. It's one of the staples that I am just in love with, and it is really catered towards making sure your face stays radiant, using natural products, and it makes you feel like you've got a little spa time at home. So their Counter Time set consists of a cleansing oil. Now don't be, and this is pretty, right? I'm gonna do a close-up of it so you can see it's really pretty. I don't know what that looks like in the camera. I'm huge on packaging as well. We could talk about that in branding stuff. I've got a whole business channel coming up at the beginning of the year, and packaging is one of those things that I know is trivial, but it's, anyways. They have a cleansing oil, which I use this oil on days where I don't wear a lot of makeup. When I wear makeup, there's a cleansing bar that I use, but it's not a part of this giveaway. But it just, you know, it suds up. It just makes me feel like the makeup is coming off better. But there's a cleansing oil that I use. Pretty much all you do is a couple of pumps of this. You rub it on your face, activate it with water. It feels really good. I have sensitive skin. I have oily combination skin, and I was afraid that a cleansing oil would make my pores clog. But actually, when I use this, I do feel like my face is, my skin is lighter. It's something about it. I don't know. This is my first encounter with the cleansing oil. It's not, I'm lying. I've had other cleansing oils that I've used and I just did not enjoy them. This one actually goes on really smooth. It makes my skin feel clean. And when I use my toners and stuff afterwards, my skin is clean. There's no dirt residue or anything like that that comes off. So this is one of my favorite products. Then we follow it up with your toner. You just drop a couple of these in your hands, dab it on, really nice. Then you've got I use a couple of serums, but that serum is not a part of this giveaway, but the serum that comes with it is this bottle. You just take a pump, and oh God, I usually will put it in my hand, drop it in like my 4 core areas, and then roll it on. And then you follow up with either a daytime moisturizer or a nighttime moisturizer. I have not dealt with like aging or anything like that, but I just really like to take care of my skin. I want it to feel supple. I want it to feel light. This is a product I've used all through the summertime, and even now going into the winter, it still feels really, really good. So I'm gonna gift you guys one of these sets just as an introduction so you can see how this experience is. What I never would have, like I didn't know anything about Beauty Counter. I don't know how many of you are familiar with Beauty Counter. I didn't know anything about Beauty Counter, but I'm gonna physically buy one of these for you all. This particular set is valued at about $200 regular price, I believe. I know it's on sale for the holidays, but it lasts for a really long time. So I've had this particular set, I don't know, a couple months, but this set will last you, supposed to last you maybe 2 or 3 months. There is a larger set, but this particular set has been the one that I've purchased and it's great. So I'm gifting you guys one of those as our first Vlogmas gift. All you have to do is leave a comment. Just leave a Beauty Counter comment down below. Just say Beauty Counter in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And next Monday, we're going to do a random pick and I will choose the winner. When I choose the winner, I'll reach out to you, get your address, and I'll send it directly to you. It comes in a beautiful little box and you'll have it just in time for the holidays. So Merry Christmas. This is our first gift of the season. I hope you enjoy. Now that that is done, let's hop into the final look of the tree.